What's up guys, it's time to take a look at the good news, not only just about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro but also about the foldable Mate X. And in case you don't know, on May 16, US gave Huawei a temporary license of using American tech was expired on August 19, but turns out US gave Huawei another 90 days temporary license before they make any final decision. Hence Huawei Mate 30 Pro will be getting Android Q, but still it's just a temporary license, which means Huawei's future is still uncertain. But I really like how Huawei is playing at this moment. Alongside the Harmony OS, Huawei is reportedly working on Google Maps alternative with sophisticated navigation system. The initial goal is apparently to encourage software developers to come up with applications based on its mapping capabilities, and it might come with Harmony OS in the Mate 30 Lite. Also, a great Huawei leaker leaked the actual physical batteries of the Mate 30 family, revealing the 4500 mAh capacity for the Mate 30 Pro and 4200 mAh for Mate 30. And not only that, with the Mate 30 Pro, Huawei is literally bringing some really big camera gains, and for the first time in history, Huawei phone will support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. And along with it, Huawei Mate 30 Pro will also have a 40 megapixel high quality ultra wide angle camera with cine lens. That means you can also be able to record cinema quality videos in ultra wide angle mode as well. Also, as for the Huawei Mate X, so previously it was delayed, but now it delayed further, but it's a good news because Huawei is redesigning the Mate X, which means the final product will going to have an upcoming Kirin 990 chipset, which is going to power the upcoming Mate 30 family, and it's also going to have a quad camera setup same as the P30 Pro. So that's all we know for now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for the full coverage, and yeah, see you soon.